Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating realm where art transcends its traditional boundaries and becomes an experience. Buckle up as we explore the world of experiential art. In today's fast-paced world, art is evolving beyond traditional forms. Experiential art, a captivating and immersive approach, invites audiences to actively engage with and participate in the artwork. By stimulating multiple senses and fostering deep emotional connections, experiential art offers a unique and unforgettable experience. Let's take a closer look at the key characteristics of experiential art. This form of art is designed to be interactive, engaging, and often multi-sensory. It encourages viewers to become part of the artwork, creating a personal and memorable journey. Step into fantastical worlds created by artists. Immersive installations, performances, and interactive exhibits transport viewers into sensory-rich experiences. It's like being inside a dream, where every sense is engaged and every moment is a discovery. Sensory engagement. Engage all your senses. Experiential art stimulates sight, sound, touch, smell, and even taste, creating a multidimensional experience. Audience participation. Become a part of the art. Experiential art encourages active participation, allowing you to interact with the artwork and shape the experience. Emotional connection. Feel the art. By engaging your senses and emotions, experiential art can evoke powerful feelings and create lasting memories. Examples of experiential art. Immersive installations. Explore the mind-bending worlds of artists like Yayoi Kusama. Her installations are filled with vibrant colors, lights, and mirrors, creating a truly immersive experience. Interactive exhibits. Get hands-on with art. Museums and galleries are increasingly incorporating interactive exhibits that allow visitors to touch, play, and explore the artwork. Participatory performances. Be part of the show. Performances that involve audience participation, such as theater, dance, and music, create shared experiences that are both engaging and memorable. Virtual reality experiences. Step into a digital world. Virtual reality technology offers immersive experiences that can transport you to far-off lands or even into the minds of artists. The impact of experiential art. Experiential art has revolutionized the art world. It challenges traditional notions of art, fosters deeper connections between viewers and artworks, and offers a unique form of entertainment and education. Conclusion. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative and immersive examples of experiential art. This groundbreaking art form offers a truly unforgettable experience that can inspire, educate, and entertain.